What's up, YouTube? Um, Today we are going to take a look at the trade I took today and go through the mindset of taking the trade. So we'll start from today's Monday, right? So usually Mondays are not good days to trade. The good days to trade are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays because that's where we see expansion or manipulation. So let's see. That's why I settled for 1:3 today. Um, let's talk about why I took the trade. Okay, so if we see the daily, we are inside of a bullish fair value gap of daily a time frame there. So we are bullish on the day. Um, on the 4 hour also there is a bullish fair value gap. On the 1 hour also we have three bullish fair value gaps. So we need to see rejection of one bullish fair value gap and a market structure shift of 5 minute or SMT better. So we will see we had any of those today. Um, so to to change the narrative of bearish to bullish, we need to see at least two of the confirming. Um, so we had a 15-minute confirmation of creating an order block and 5 minute confirmation of market structure shift and creating fair value gaps, and we had SMT. So narrative no change to bullish. So yeah, I think we had news coming out came at 10 o'clock. That is moderate news. So we don't have to consider other. Moderate news is good for a little bit of volatility. You can see that Mondays are usually consolidation days or low days. So that is why I settled for 1:3. We can see why I took the trade. So we had a market structure shift here, but the only problem is we have two fair value gaps, right? So should I wait for this fair value gap to fill or I can take a trade here? On good days, it will come at least touch this lower fair value gap and move higher. But if we see on the 1 minute, we have one fair value gap here and it is tested thrice. So I'm fixing that it will go higher. So I'm not taking a trade here. I need some confirmation on the 1 minute too. So I'm waiting for any fair value gaps or order blocks to form. We have this here. Okay, this formed a bullish order block, right? So I took a trade right when I see the order block. So I took a trade on the order block and settled for 1:3. Uh, we took a trade here and we can keep the stop at low of the order block or here. That's actually 10-point stop loss. So we are you should because it is Monday and we had mm, these unfavorable conditions that because we have a week on the 1 hour and we have lower fair value gap on the 5 minute. So that for those reasons I took only usually I take about zero point 0.3 indices, but I took only 0.1 indices because of these conditions. So aiming for zero point 0.3 and where it is lining up is where it lined up is on this high. So I'm usually targeting this high. Um, and I took a trade and settled for 1:3. So for that 1:3, we got about 2.86, that is about 0.71%. So the 0.71%, how it came from is, so taking the eval, I chose an eval for $400 of drawdown. So let's consider that is 100%, and 400% is in that 400, $4 is 1%. So I can take 100 trades on this account because there is no time constraint here. I can trade whenever I want. So I'm building a steadier account and taking trades only on good setups. Let's see if any other setup occurred today. So here this looks good. Projection of 15 minute and 5 minute. And let's see if there is an 1 minute entry in the trade will take. This looks good, but you will eventually get stopped first. But you can consider this as manipulation and take on another trade with fair value gap or order block. Fair value gap is better. You see there is no filling of fair value gap here, so you should wait until I won't take any trade here because there is no clear entry here and a clear exit, so I wouldn't take here. And other than that, this looks promising too. So this looks. Is there any trade for 1 minute? See another time we will get stopped out here. This is why Mondays are not tradable. You see, if you take a trade entry here and keep a stop here, you'll get stopped out eventually. But you can go for tighter stop. This is for tighter stop on 1 minute. If you go for lenient stop, you can take an entry here and keep the stop below here. So where would you target the profit range? You can target here, this high or this high. Yeah, uh, this high is good. Targeting this high is good. Yeah, this high, and now it's taken, and we can see some retracement and maybe pump higher. So that is the only trade that I took today. Maybe coming weeks we have good volatility range. So let's see if we can take any trade on the coming days. And that is all I have today.